Adding a backup camera to your vehicle has never been easier thanks to the solar backup camera from Scosche. This is one of the first solar-powered backup cameras on the market, and it's designed for any car, motorcycle, work truck, or other vehicle on the market. The 4.3-inch LCD color monitor quickly and securely mounts to the dash or console using a suction cup mounting base. The compact camera bracket mounts to the top of any standard US license plate frame using the existing screws to lock it into place. If you don't have a backup camera, this is an easy add-on that gives you the extra visibility you want. And if you have a backup camera, this can also mount to your vehicle in any flat spot for extra visibility pretty much wherever you want it. This backup camera has a 480p resolution monitor and a 120-degree wide-angle view that works in a low light, so you're getting maximum safety day or night while backing up. The ultra-compact camera is IP65 rated for water resistance. While the camera is solar-powered, the monitor works through your vehicle's 12-volt power outlet. The system powers itself up and off automatically. The nice thing with this product from Scosche is the single-row camera and solar panel do not require specific license plate dimensions. This kit also includes Magic Mount Select Suction Cup Mount, Magic Plate, and a 4-foot power cable. This installation is almost as easy as it gets. Unlike traditional backup cameras, there's no hard wiring or splicing involved. Simply mount the camera and bracket and add your monitor inside the suction cup, and you're ready to go.